back mga kada. Theme song ng buhay niyo, sagot na namin yan dito lang sa MRS or Most Requested Song. At para tulungan po tayo ngayon araw tungkol dito sa request natin for the day, makakasama natin ang napaka-poging, dagdag ko pa, talented din na si star kada natin na si Jiro Custodio. Good morning, Jiro! Back to back ka ngayon.
Yeah, good morning, Miss Diana.
Good morning. Take it away, Jiro.
Good morning, Miss Diana at sa lahat ng ating mga kada kasama every morning. Heto po ang request ng kada natin na galing kay JB1623. Hello mga kada. Gusto ko lang po sanang i-request ang kanta ni Ed Sheeran na Perfect para po ito sa mahal kong asawa. Hindi man kami perfect na dalawa, pero perfect ang aming samahan. Siya ang forever ko at ako naman ang forever niya. Baduy man pakinggan pero kanya namin kamahal ang isa't isa. Maraming salamat po kada umaga. Nakakakilig. Sana all. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look and miss, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. Are you afraid in what I see? Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Hey, Jiro!
Hello, Miss Diana.
And you look perfect in the morning.
Wow, you too.
Good
You're so
morning
beautiful,
and
yeah.
welcome again sa kada umaga. Back-to-back ang singing mo this morning.
Yeah nga.
Kumusta boses mo?
Okay naman. Actually, may jet lag pa tayo.
Ooh,
Pero
Hindi
maraming
halata.
salamat.
Oh.
Maraming salamat kay engineer at tayo. Magandang boss natin yun.
Eto, Jiro, no?
Yeah.
Chika lang konti. Today is World Theater Day.
Wow.
So, ikaw, sumama ka na dun sa isang theater play na kilala nating lahat ang subtext.
Subtext. Last January nung tayo ay nag-guest din dito with the
Yes.
original song of Direk Nigel De Mesa.
Correct.
Yeah.
How was your experience?
Actually, first time kong gumanap sa musical play.
Aha.
And isashare ko na rin sa inyo na dream ko talaga na maging part or makast ako sa musical play kasi nga gusto kong kumanta
Aha.
and gusto kong umacting.
Parang
umacting.
2-in-1 na kasi siya.
Yes. So, nagagawa ko siya at the same time.
Did you enjoy it?
Sobra.
Ano yung mga pagsubok pagdating sa mga play?
Yung pagsubo kasi, we mentioned siguro last time na yung cast kasi na yun is buo na sila parang 6 months prior.
Ah.
Then last minute.
Parang pumasok ka
Yes.
nung 6 months na silang buo na?
Yeah, parang
Oh.
3 weeks I think or 2 weeks and a half na lang magmeron ng show. So yung challenge sa akin doon, una, yung
Hala!
songs na original, kailangan ko talaga siyang aralin.
Yeah.
And yung script, hindi siya pwedeng mag-take 2, lalo live yung
Yeah,
show. So
correct.
from page to page, kailangan kabisado ko yung lines, buo lahat. So yun yung challenge sa akin.
So
na,
kung may experience nun,
Oo,
may mga times ba na may nakalimutan ka?
Meron,
O
marami.
tumingin ka na lang sa
Direk, sorry,
co-actor mo.
yeah, meron tayo. So ang ginawa ko, kailangan yung thoughts nandun pa din.
Yes,
So kahit
oo.
na magkamali ka sa lines, words lang naman yun eh. So kailangan mo siyang i-fill in ng ibang word, pero yung thoughts nandun pa rin para makabalik ka.
Ang lagi ko iniisip pag ganyan, mga kada, yung mga lyrics.
Lyrics.
Kasi okay lang sa acting, pwede mo baguhin yung word, diba?
Yeah,
As
yeah.
long as nandun yung thought. Pero yung lyrics, hindi. Kaya sabi
Exactly.
ko, paano ko gagawin yan ever? Well, feeling singer naman. Pero, I mean, ang dami nating natutunan, di ba? Pag
Exactly.
gumawa ng play. Do you have any pangarap na goal na maging kasama ka sa isang theater play?
Okay, napag-usapan yung pangarap. Since tayo ngayon ay, ito ay answered prayer sa akin.
Yeah.
Kasi lagi tayong merong devotional prayer every night, every day. Narating ko na rin yung isa sa dream ko makapunta sa Amerika.
Nice.
So,
nice.
bata pa lang ako, umiyak tayo dito. At
Okay
nangyari
lang,
yun,
may tissue naman.
yeah, nangyari yun on the day of my birthday.
Wow.
Talagang special yung araw na yun sa akin. And the same time, nandun na tayo sa US as Miss Maria Damian mentioned kanina na there's a lot of opportunities in US.
Yeah.
And isa na rin doon yung pangarap ko na makas sa Broadway. Yeah.
Pwede yan. Pwede.
Yeah, na
Oo.
makapag-perform din tayo in a international stage.
I believe in you, Jiro, and I think you can achieve that.
Thank you so much.
Yes, i-push mo yan.
More
We'll be very
prayers.
proud of you.
Yeah,
And
thank you so much.
Thank you for being here for our most requested song.
Thank you.
May gusto ka bang i-promote ngayon sa atin? Go ahead. And
Yan, our song, kanina nakinanta natin, Only You is now available on all digital platforms. Just type the Only You. Actually, 3 sila na songs na original.
Na-LSS ako doon sa kinanta mo kanina eh.
Only
yung
You.
Only You. Yeah, diba?
Yeah.
Ano pa meron bukod sa Only You?
Fall Into You,
Uh-huh.
the second one. And the third one is Forever Starts Tonight.
Maybe you can come back again, no? And sing all those
Can I?
songs again. Of course,
Please?
we would love to have you
Okay,
again.
sige.
That's
To promote
nice,
those,
Jiro.
2 songs.
Are they available on all streaming platforms?
Yeah, all streaming platforms and also on YouTube kasi ang MTV niya is actually today ang
Ang release!
yes, ang release ng MTV niya and sinut natin to sa Hollywood.
Wow!
Kaya I'm so
Congrats!
happy and I'm so thankful
Oh,
na
I'm proud of you.
even my wildest dream na mangyayari yon in real time. I mean in real life na makapunta ako sa US and makapaggawa
Sa
ng music
birthday
video.
mo pa!
Sa
At
birthday
nagawa
ko pa.
mo pa ng mga kanta. Ayun, music video. Congratulations.
Kaya, yes. At syempre di mangyayari yan not because of Miss Maria Damian,
Yes, thank
Miss
you,
Normelin
Mom.
of Legacy, as ng Amare and Breaking Hits by Sir Neil. Actually, marami akong gustong pasalamatan.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay lang?
Sure.
Ayan, here. Baka may malimutan tayo.
Ayun.
Breaking Hits is the app to test your music and connect with the community. Check out my EP. Yan, EP yung tawag doon pag 3 songs and may isang song na yung perfect na natin kinover. So, EP there, rate it and be the first to hear and rate my unreleased tracks.
That's so
Yan.
cool. Pwede nila i-rate yung mga release na kanta mo.
Yeah.
Go
And
ahead, mga kanta.
hey everyone, I'm excited to announce the release of my EP Only You. A huge thank you to my US team, my amazing co-star Shannon M. Hurley, yung kasama natin sa music video. She's also an actress from Hollywood, from US. And Director Christopher Legarda ang ating director sa music video. And Sir Neil Collins of Breaking Hits and Matthew Tam. Ayan, Breaking Hits along with Legacy and Amari Entertainment, Miss Normelin yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Congrats, Jiro.
Yeah.
Nakaka-proud ka. Oh,
Yeah.
naman from Starcada to all of these achievements. Kaya we're
Yeah.
very proud of you and thank you for being here.
Thank you
Please
so much
come back.
for,
Always. You're always welcome here.
Warm welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you din. At kayo rin mga kada, kung may gusto po kayo mag-request dito ng kanta, hugot man yan or masaya, go ahead. Magpadala na lang po kayo dito sa Net25 official Facebook page with our hashtag Kada Most Requested Song at babasahin pa namin yan live na live. Sa Net25, this is Diana Menez and for more Kada Umaga updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25